Hello and welcome to this assembly guide of the ModDock T. Here we have all the parts. This one is specific for the T7 Touch, where you have the holes to unlock it with your finger, but they basically look the same and they are also built the same way. So we're going to start with, we have this little tool and we have the hooks. So in the bottom plate, we're going to start here. Simply just putting these in. Yeah. Then we take this. And by the way, you can get these in double modules and also the lid in double modules. So if you have a double one, you of course start with the double one. And then we just take this part, click, and then we have these. I call them the special hooks. You have to put one here. They can be a little bit tricky to align. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Then we can use this thing again on the middle. Click. And the special part about this one is it goes flat with the surface. So we need two of those right here. Okay. Yeah, this one is a little bit hard because it's not a lot of room here. Yeah. Come on. There. Again. Click. So here we have to use the spring. And again, this one is also a little bit special for the T7 Touch. We just put it here. Next up, we need, again, we just need two of the normal ones out here. There we go. Then we have this one. Put it here. Click. And then again, two of the little bit special ones. By the way, they didn't come out so good because I didn't clean my plate, so that's why they look a little bit rough. But this one is way easier to assemble because there's more space. There we go. Then we have to remember to put these in. We have a left and right version. So of course we put them left and right. Then you have this thing that the SSD goes into. You just slide it in here. And then you have these for the cable. You of course take your cable and you put it in the bottom part. It's this one. I made two versions of this one. You can find one that's with nuts and bolts. If you have issues with your cable being loose and wiggling, I recommend you using the one with the nuts and bolts because those you can really tighten, so should not be an issue. Yeah, that's an option. Imagine there's a cable here and you close it in, of course. There we go. Squeeze it down. Now it looks like this. Then this part, you see the holes and you see these three holes and these two holes. You basically have to align it. And by doing that, this one is locked. So now it cannot push out. So all we have to do now is to put the last part on. Let me see if I can heat it. Wait. Let's start with this one. It's a little bit easier. Let's try again here. There we go. And here. I've used these hooks many times, so they might be a little bit worn out. Now all we have to do is add the lid. The last part. And there we have it. It's done. And look at this color combination. Looks kind of cool, right? There's a little bit of a gap here. I think one of my parts came out bending when I printed it. Because my other ones, they don't look like that. But yeah, that's how you build it. Hope it's useful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah. See you in my other videos. Bye bye.